Hey, what's up? Today, as you can see from the title anyways, what we're making, I'll be making homemade pizza right from scratch. Quick, easy pizza. I'll make the dough, my son will bake the pizza. Okay guys, the battery died, so we have to change the battery. So as I was saying, I'm separating the dough into 4 equal pieces. Okay, we want 4 pizza from this dough.
That dough looks 10 times smaller than this dough.
Yeah, that's why I'm resting it right there, and let me see. And it's not. See, I know to make, this is like making dumpling. Yeah, so I'm gonna put a piece right there. So we're gonna leave our dough into these plastic for it to rise. Bam. And now, little olive oil. at this dough rising already. We're gonna cover these dough. We're gonna put 2 in the fridge, so I don't think we're making all 4. You can store them in the fridge for a couple of days, and you can have your dough ready whenever you want a pizza. You take it out and make yourself a delicious pizza, whatever topping you'd like. And because my son is fancy, look, we're gonna bake this pizza on pizza stone. Can you see the stone? This pizza stone in the oven. This stone has to preheat for an hour. That's why sometimes I don't bother with it. It takes too long. So
That's how your pizza tastes whack sometimes.
okay, after about an hour, I'm leaving 2 out. After an hour or an hour and a half, we're gonna bake the pizza. So we'll be back. These 2 in the fridge.